Hello everyone. So welcome to GST Simplified by CA Deepika Ganesan. So last video we had a discussion on impact of GST 2.0 on textile industry. So today we are going to discuss the impact of GST 2.0 on footwear industry. So let us proceed. So before moving into the impact, let us see the history of the GST rate on footwear. So from inception, that is from 1st July 2017, when the GST was rolled out, up to 31st December 2018, the GST rate was 5% for the footwear when the retail selling price was not exceeding rupees 500. And other than that, it was 18%. Then 1st January 2019 till 31st December 2021, what happened was the retail selling price was replaced with sale value, because retail selling price means, even suppose say a product is 700 and say discount of 300 is given, it comes to 400, but still the retail selling price is only 700, so it will come under 18% if it was in the previous, that is July 17 to 2018. But whereas after that is from 1st January 2019 onwards, the RSP is replaced by sale value and the slab is increased to rupees 1000 and the rate was 5%. So that means, suppose a product is 1200, say 400 rupees is the discount. So that means now it comes to 800. So sale value is 800 and it will fall under 5%. So this is the difference between retail selling price and the sale value. So other than that, that is when it is above rupees 1000, then it was 18%. Then what happened was, from 1st January 2022 to 21st September 2025, same, the sale value when it is not exceeding rupees 1000, but the rate was increased from 5% to 12%. And when the sale value is exceeding rupees 1000, there was no change. That is, it was 18% earlier, and now also, that is up to 21st September also, it was 18%. Now, from 22nd September onwards, what is the change? Let us check. So if it is not exceeding rupees 1000 sale value, then earlier it was 12%. Now it has come down to 5%. And when the value, that is the sale value, is from 1001 to 2500, earlier it was 18%. Now that has come down to 5%. So there is a drastic reduction in the GST rate. And when it is exceeding rupees 2500, there is no change. So before also it was 18%, now also it is 18%. So that means whenever a sale value is up to rupees 2500, common man is benefiting. So quickly let us see an example. Suppose the sale value is 500, the GST rate earlier it was, the percentage was 12%, so 560. Now it is 5%, so it is 525. So the savings is 35 rupees. Suppose the product value is 1200, so earlier it was 18%. Now, so it was 1416. Now it is 5%, so 1260. So 156 rupees is the saving. Suppose if the product value, that is the sale value, is 2000, so 2000 plus 18% GST comes to 2360. Now it is only 5%, so it is 2100. Saving is 260 rupees. And when the sale value is 2500, earlier it was 18%, so 2950. Now it is 5%, so it comes to 2625. So the difference is 325. And suppose the sale value is 3000, so 3000 plus 18% comes to 3540. And now also the same, 3540. And 5000 means 5900 earlier. Now also it is 5900 earlier, because now also it is 5900, because there is no change in the GST rate when it is above rupees 2500. So as I said, for the textile industry, even in the footwear, you can only see the MRP. Only in the invoice you can see the breakup. So whenever you get the invoice after billing, do check whether the rate has been changed for all, because right from 1 rupee you have to check. Suppose you're going to buy a slipper for 200 rupees also, the rate will change. Why? Because earlier it was 12%, now it is 5%. So for the entire amount, you have to check for all, whether it is 100 or 200 or 500 or 1000. So up to 2,500 rupees, you have to check whether the rate has been correctly adopted or not. So again, like how I explained for this textile industry, the sale value is different. That is, sale value is always after discount. So original value is 1,000 and say the discount is 25%. The sale value after discount is 750. The rate is 5%. Suppose the original value is 2,000 and the discount is 25%. So 500 is the discount and the sale value after discount is 1,500. Now the GST rate is 5%. Suppose the sale value is 5,000 and say the discount is 25%. So now the sale value after discount is 3,750, it is 18%. Suppose the original value is 5,000, say the discount is 50%. So now the sale value after discount is 2,500, so it will go to the 5% slab. So that you need to check. So basically, if it is going to be 2,625, the MRP is going to be 2,625, then the GST rate is 5%. So that is the thumb rule. And it is going to be above that, it is 18%. So in this case, suppose say 10,000 is the original value and 50% is the discount. So after discount, it is 5,000, so 18%. Suppose 80% discount, you will see mega clearance sale in footwear. You can see 70%, 80%, sometimes 90%. So 80% means 8,000 will be the discount and 2,000 will be your value, sale value after discount. Now it will come to 5%. So please take this into consideration whenever you buy a footwear. So this, I would say, this is really a benefit for both men and women. So if a man is going to buy a shoe, so it will come within this price. Sometimes, yes, if you're going for a very popular brand and all, it may exceed this 2,500 rupees. So otherwise, it will be well within the limit. So in this footwear industry, the common man is only benefiting and there is no disadvantage at all. So this is a very, very, very good move by the central government with regard to this rate change. So my dear friends, please take this into consideration. So in the next video, we'll see with, the impact of GST 2.0 with regard to other industry. So in case you find this video useful, please do like, share, comment, and also subscribe so that you will be able to see the other videos, and also comment next video you want on which sector to be. So until then, stay tuned. So this is CA Deepika Ganesan, Chartered Accountant and Certified GST Trainer by Mason. So signing off. Thank you and wish you all the best. Thank you and good day. Okay.